Right, let's do 6.3. Tino wins a jackpot of 1,600,000. He invests all his winnings in a fund that earns an interest of 11.2% per annum, compounded monthly. He withdraws the 20,000 from the fund at the end of each month. His first withdrawal is exactly 1 month after his initial investment. How many withdrawals of 20,000 will Tino be able to make from this fund? Right, remember, we usually say that the present value formula is used for loans, but this is not a loan. Okay, but let's check, like I explained in the previous question. Where is the bigger amount? Where is the lump sum? The lump sum is now. Tino has just won 1,600,000, and then he's going to withdraw this amount till it is what? It is finished. So we have to use the present value formula here, okay? Because the big amount is now, then smaller amounts are withdrawn till the money is finished, okay? So that's why you have to use the present value formula, right? So let's use the present value formula. P is equal to X, 1 minus, then 1 plus I, the power n, negative n over I. Right, let's pick our variables from the information. Our present value, that is 1,600,000. 1,600,000 is equal to X is withdrawing 20,000. So X is 20,000. Right, and then 1 minus, then 1 plus. Then the interest is 11% per annum compounded monthly. So it is 0,112 over 12. And then minus n. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for n. So over 0,112 over 12. And then here what we do, we want n. So what you can do it step by step. Someone can start by finding 20,000 divided by this fraction here, the denominator one. But I prefer doing this. Let's multiply both sides by this. Let's multiply the 1,600,000 by 0,112 over 12. And then it will give you 44800, 44,800 over 3. I prefer using a fraction because I don't want to use a decimal. If you're using a decimal, don't round off. So it's 20,000, and then we have 1 minus 1 plus 0,112 over 12, then to the power negative n. Right. And then let's divide both sides by 20,000. Divide this by 20,000. What do you get? 56 over 75 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 0,112 over 12 to the power negative n. Right? And then subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. What do you get? You get negative 19 over 75 is equal to negative 1 plus 0,112 over 12 to the power negative n. Right, divide by negative 1 both sides, you're getting what? 19 over 75 is equal to, we can simplify this. Put this in the calculator. 1 plus 0,112 over 12, this must give you 757 over 750 to the power negative n. Now we can use our function in the calculator. We want to find n, so you can use this function, which is like this. Okay, right. You can change this from exponential form to log form. Right, the exponent becomes the subject, negative n is equal to log, and then the base becomes, this is our base, so it becomes 757 over 750, and then the number, the argument is what? 19 or 75. In this space here, you put the base, and then here on this space, you put the argument, the number there. Then put this in the calculator. So it becomes negative n is equal to negative 147,7978688. right? N is equal to 147,7978,688. But here, these are number of payments, so we can't have a fraction. Number of payments should be what? Should be a natural number, right? So it says how many withdrawals of 20,000. Right, let's go back to the question. How many withdrawals of 20,000 will Tino be able to make from this fund? So what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this answer? It means Tino can make 147 withdrawals of 20,000. But how many withdrawals can he make? 148. But the 148th one, the last one, will not be 20,000 because it's a fraction. You see that? Because of the fraction. But now the question says, how many withdrawals of 20,000? So full 20,000, it will be 147. So Tino will make 147 withdrawals of 20,000.